All right, everybody, CryptoVin here, CryptoVin YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, much appreciated. Going to be doing a quick tutorial video today on how to purchase Baby PengolinCoin on PancakeSwap. All right, so I'm here on Baby PengolinCoin's homepage. I'll leave all links to the description. You want to get the contract address. And if you scroll down, you can see here's the contract address. You're going to copy and paste that. So copy it, go over to PancakeSwap.finance. You're going to go over to trade and you're going to go over to swap. First thing you're going to do is you're going to add Baby PengolinCoin. You got to paste the address here. It'll pop up and you click on it and it'll enter it here into this field. Next thing, you want to set your slippage tolerance to 12%. All right, and start off, just purchase small amount. There's not a lot of liquidity yet, and so it might make it a little bit difficult to purchase large amounts, and there's an anti-whale mechanism that won't allow you to purchase more than 1% of the total supply. So the max supply is 8 billion, so about 80 million tokens. You're not going to be able to purchase that much yet, so just start off with a small amount. Say, so 0.001 is 3,946,936. So let's just start off with that. You're also going to make sure you have a wallet that you can connect with. Metamask is one of them. Trust is another. I'm going to use Metamask. I've already got my wallet here connected. You want to make sure you're on the Binance Smart Chain network. If you aren't on Binance Smart Chain, it won't connect. You can add Binance Smart Chain to your MetaMask wallet under settings. So let's continue here. So I'm going to try to swap this. Minimum received 3,524,000 Baby PengolinCoin. All right, confirm swap. You can see here. All right, so then you confirm the transaction. And there you have it. You've just purchased some Baby PengolinCoin. And so this is the transaction on Binance Smart Chain scan. You can see it here, pop up. And you go to your wallet and check the balance, and it should be in there. All right, so let's go to liquidity. Here, next video I'll be doing is on liquidity. I'm not going to do it this video, but I'll show you how in the next video. So that's gonna be how you purchase a Baby PengolinCoin on PancakeSwap. I'm not a financial advisor, guys. This isn't financial advice. Do your own due diligence. And you can go to DEX tools, and it should have popped up here. Right here, 3,946,936. A couple other buys underneath that. You can see, and you can check out Baby PengolinCoin on DEX tools. I'll leave a link in the description of the video. So that's going to be it for today, guys. I'm going to do a little bit of review video also on Baby PengolinCoin, but I want to get this up because it's going full transparency. I am a advisor and part owner of Baby PengolinCoin, and I will do a review video on it, but I just wanted to get this out there to show everyone how to buy it. All right, guys, we'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and share.